What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aspen Plus Intermediate course, and I'm really happy that you are taking the time to improve your process simulation knowledge by taking this course. Now, what should you expect for this course? Well, I divided it in four main core concepts. First one, we're going to increase our flow sheeting techniques, how to format flow sheet, how to add relevant data, blocks, arrows, text into the flow sheet, maybe even tables, graph, plots, etc. into the flow sheet. Then we continue with the sub-flowsheeting, which is nothing more than adding a flow sheet inside a flow sheet. This is done via the hierarchy block. I know this seems very simple, but it's very powerful because when you are converging and you want to debug the convergence, you will find it easier. Now, second core concept will be physical property environment. So many times we select a property method because it's recommended or because you are used to select that one. But the question will be, why is it serious to select a property method? What will happen if we select another one? If we select ideal process or non-ideal? If we base it on activity coefficients or equation of states? So that is very important as well. We also learn more on the thermodynamics engines that we have here in Aspen Plus. And we make analysis with the analysis tools, plots such as temperature versus composition of pure and binary mixtures. Third main core is essentially learn more on unit operations. Learn more on what are the required inputs in unit operations. How can we model a real-life process, for instance, a stripper, with a block in Aspen Plus? How can we model maybe a reactor with a block in Aspen Plus? How can we model a combustion of coal using Aspen Plus? So the idea is to learn, the more you learn on unit operations, the better you will get to be able to process, simulate other processes. And core concept number four will be model analysis tools. In my opinion, it's one of the most important ones because it will show you how can we properly analyze the processes, have empirical data calculations that show you whether or not should we take a decision. Should we accept the actual process, or is there anything else to do? What will happen if we maybe change the output, if we change this variable? I want to see the effect of this variable with this variable. I want to use sensitivity analysis to verify which will be the better fit stage, and so on. There are plenty of analysis tools, and we're going to use them. Now, those four concepts are going to be used in the case studies. In the case studies, we're going to put all together in order to favor our knowledge, to make conclusions, to make decisions on processes. So guys, once again, welcome to the course, and I really want to congratulate you because you are taking precious time, and instead of you actually watching some YouTube videos, you are taking time to improve yourself, to learn a new skill, and for that, I really want to congratulate you. So, welcome to the course and see you in the next video.